Some of them fellas is really loud.
Can you hear me? Over.
What?
Get out of the pit now. Do you hear me?
Hey, I know you. You're that girl from the party last night. You want to do our date right now?
Tight. I'm a fluffy cloud. I'm a fluffy cloud.
Anticipate your turns.
We're just learning that the racer replacing Macqueen is Cruz Ramirez.
No? I'd love to see the rest of the town. So if you could just open the gate, take this boot off, you and me, we go cruise and check out the local scene, you know?
Dad, go.
How'd that beat, Tomato?
Thanks, guys.
Nice paint, kiddo.
Big hat coming through.
Get her done, 51.
I love it.